Safety first. Hurricane shutters can be sharp around the edges. Be sure to wear the proper protective equipment when handling the shutter system at all times. Durable gloves with a rubber palm work best to handle the materials. The gloves should fit tight to prevent snagging on sharp edges. Always operate with a low clutch, low torque setting to avoid stripping the hardware and damaging the shutter system. Do not over-tighten. Using the wrong torque can over-tighten the bolts, which can cause damage to your storm shutter system. For your safety, hurricane panels are heavy and should therefore never rest vertically while installing. Instead, lay the panels on a flat surface.